Hello from AlphaCars. My name is Dimitri, and I'm going to show you a vehicle from California. It is almost irrelevant what vehicle we are getting from California. It is always so impressive. The most impressive ones are low mileage, late model vehicles. This is 2017 Lexus that we just picked up from California, and we received it today in our Boxborough location. We are blown away by the quality and how incredibly like new everything is. We're just showing you the details of the engine compartment. It is literally like brand new, everything. There's not a single spot of, not to mention rust, just the basic oxide. It looks so clean. This is a pearl white, and we're gonna lift it up and show you the underbody in just a moment, which is even more impressive. We had to think twice if the brakes are brand new, like literally someone just installed them, or they look like new because they don't show any typical wear. Like if you look at the condition of shims, brake pads or rotors, they literally look like brand new. Check that out. It is incredible. Okay, let's continue with the underbody inspection. This vehicle has 13,000 miles, and it spent its life in sunny California. And check this out. It looks literally like a brand new vehicle. We're doing rust proofing today on a brand new 2021 Jeep, and it actually looks similar to this. This might even be a little cleaner. So check this out. Brakes literally look like new. The bolts, even the typical areas that usually get surface rust, look absolutely immaculate. This is practically buying a brand new car. So spending a little bit more on a vehicle from California or a similar climate definitely makes sense. Check this out. We're going on and inspecting the passenger side of the underbody, and look at how everything looks. This vehicle would be the perfect candidate for the underbody protection. We have 3 different products, and we have great videos on that, so you can learn about it. And if you end up buying this car, or maybe you just bought a brand new car, or maybe you bought a pre-owned car and it happened to be not from California, look at this, and you do want to treat any type of surface rust that it already developed and protect it, we are the people to talk about, and we can help you with that. So continue with inspection of this vehicle. It is super impressive. This vehicle is 3 years old, and it looks like a brand new automobile. It just got delivered from California, and it will be available very soon on our website, alphacars.com, and you can check out the features. This one has many nice extras and options. It is the most desirable, if you like white, this is the most desirable pearl white in mint condition. The exterior of this car is just as clean, if not cleaner than underbody, and it has all original factory paint. Of course, no accidents. 13,000 miles were beautifully maintained. So please stay tuned for more video about this vehicle that show the interior, exterior, and the options. Thank you.